Now we're live. All right. So, in a brief summary, what do you guys do here? What do you provide?
We are one of the biggest transportation infrastructure, hardware, software provider.
Everybody says that, by the way.
Well, that's okay because I can back it up with the proof. So we have been in business for a very long time. Out of 330,000 intersections in the United States.
Really? Are we talking cameras or sensors or?
Out of 330,000 signalized intersections in the United States, we touch more than 1/3 of those intersections, which means there is an Iteris equipment on 1/3 of the intersections across the United States.
Okay, all right.
And we are the pioneers of a lot of this technology.
Okay.
We are one of the first ones to introduce cameras to the world for detection.
Oh, okay. So actually, we can swing around this side if you don't mind here.
Yep.
So when we see a lot of these in intersections now. What is this? What are these?
So these are different type of detection technologies.
Okay.
This is one of our new cameras called Node. So as things are,
how many cameras are in there?
There are 4 of them in there. So as things are progressing, we are trying to make things easier. So obviously, if there is one housing that can cover the entire intersection, you have a lot less failure points, and that means a lot less maintenance and a lot easier installs. So that is one of our new things. But for the bigger intersections, this is a combo unit with a radar and a camera, where the close by is captured by the camera and the far distance is captured by the radar. And each one of these technologies has their own facets. Some of them actually do just detection. Some of them help vehicles move through the intersection in a better and a more efficient way. So as we go deep dive into it, each of these technologies have their own significance. And then what you see here is the latest and greatest. It is called the connected vehicle technology. And this is called the roadside unit. So we are the pioneers of this. We have over 3,000 installs of these roadside units across the United States. This is the future of transportation.
What does it do?
I'm going to tell you that. So this is the future of transportation. This is where the vehicles and infrastructures are going to communicate with each other. And I can tell you, if there's a pedestrian on the road, before your eyes see it, and that way you can take an evasive action and save lives. So the Federal Highway's Vision Zero is going to very closely achieved through this roadside unit or connected vehicle technology.
Okay, so walk me through it then. So your cameras, whether it be one of these, sees the data, analyzes the data, sends the data here, this sends it to my vehicle, and now I know what's in front of me before I even see it.
Absolutely.
See, I'm an engineer.
Well, so this not only that, but you can resolve the conflicting movement solution as well. So let's say if there's a fire truck coming and there's a vehicle coming, how many times have you seen all the way around looking for that sound, right? I think this technology has the potential to resolve that.
It'll say fire truck is behind you.
It can resolve that ambiguity as well.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
All right, so in terms of the rollout of this, some of these things already in the intersections, already working. When do you think we'll see technology like this in all the vehicles?
As things improve and as the transportation industry and the auto manufacturer industry start to work more closely, I think there will be solutions to that. There are 2 current technologies right now. One is called the autonomous vehicles and one is called the connected vehicles. And at some point they will converge. So I think that is when you will see the true solution and the true benefits of these 2 industries merging together.
It's interesting because, you know, you tell me, but when was it? Was it 2 decades or closer than that when the automakers started realizing that data was going to be the way forward and they weren't just making cars anymore?
So there is a paradigm shift in that. When this first started happening, I'm no expert on the auto vehicles, but we used to build cars and put computers on it. Now these newer vehicles are they're computers and the vehicle is built
got wheels.
The vehicles are so that is how things are changing. Similarly, the things are changing in our industry as well. You know, when I became a civil engineer and I started in this industry, I built roads and I, you know, installed cameras. But today my world converges with the auto manufacturers as well.
I'm noticing your sticker here. You went to Michigan State?
I am a proud Spartan, sir.
Yeah, all right, very good.
And I'm a local, and I have obviously a local stake in Michigan roads. And by the way, Iteris has a lot of deployments in Michigan as well.
Okay.
Yep.
So I've asked some of the other exhibitors, when you come to a show like this in the city of Detroit, is there a little more kind of pressure because you know some of the movers and shakers that make the decisions on what's happening in the automotive world could be here? No, he's not.
So the auto manufacturers have been to these shows before. Like 5 years ago, there was a more push to come things together, and then for some reason they separated. I think there's a process of this coming together again. But these kind of shows, I think they are more technology, infrastructure focused. And the new thing now, in addition to this hardware, is the software. So a lot of these pro-based data are going into the analytics of transportation as well.
So you're here to tell the MDOTs of the world, the counties and the locals, that this is coming and how can we work together to make it happen?
We don't tell, we suggest. we are the technology specialists, and we work with them, and we try. Our job is to find them a solution. Everything else comes later. So once we have the solution, the rest, everything falls in its place.
That makes sense. Ahmad, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate that. What a cool guy. And a Spartan, everybody. Photographer Mike will be very happy about that.
Thank you very much.
We're going to take a short break here on Local 4 Live. When we come back, so much more inside of the ITS conference, the expo inside of Huntington.